Hey, I'm Drew Scott, one half property brother, one half pizza extraordinaire. Welcome to this edition of The Five. As you guys know, my wedding is coming up. It's going to be in Italy. Italy, food, pizza, this is a big part of my life, and I am actually quite the pizza maker. So why would you do a frozen pizza like this when you can make the most beautiful pizza yourself? Let's be honest, even the worst pizza tastes pretty good, but I want you guys to be able to make the best of the best pizza. First step, use a pizza stone. I mean, we can't all have a wood-fired oven, but if you use a pizza stone, it's gonna taste like you did. Step two, check the crust. This is a big mistake people make all the time. They look at the top of the crust. You need to lift up a little bit, look at the bottom of the crust, and that will tell you if the pizza's ready. Next step, par bake the crust. What that means, before you put any toppings on, like pineapple or peppers or mozzarella, they're gonna make it soggy. You wanna bake that crust a little bit, it'll harden, then you can put those toppings on. I don't know why they say par bake instead of just pre-bake, because it's kind of what you're doing, but maybe they're just trying to be fancy. Par bake the crust. Next step, get a pizza cutter. This little baby is gonna make your life so much easier instead of trying to rip through that pizza with a knife. Last step, if you're reheating your pizza, reheat it in cast iron. That's gonna keep the bottom nice and crisp. And there you go, that's how you can make a beautiful, perfect pizza. Throw on some music, make it a romantic evening, and you're done. If you guys have any questions for me or the other gurus, use hashtag GuruHub.